What's up, guys? We just got back from Sonoma. We've had 2 races on the car, and in both races I've had a little bit of contact, so we're bringing it down here to Gummy Grip, which is right there, and we're gonna get an alignment on the TA2 car. So check this out, it's gonna be pretty sweet. We've been taking our car to Dr. E, which is my good friend Eladio Rodriguez. He's been working on my cars since I was like, I think 17, since I got into cars. He helped me work on my Mazda back in the day, so it's really cool to have his support, continuing his support into my pro racing car, and yeah, having all his expertise. So come check it out, show you guys what's going on. Here she is at Thunder Hill. I think we had some contact on this side. You can see that right there, and a little bit down there. This is a new set of wheels and tires, so there's nothing on that side. And then on the Sonoma race, dang, guys getting it, Burnout City. This side, I believe we had a car drive up over my front end and possibly hit the wheel.
Yeah, little tire action right here. Nothing crazy.
Oh yeah. So that's what we're working with. We got an awesome little sunset here, guys. Check it out. Yeah. There's the Evo. We were waiting for the Evo to finish up. Just fired up. Probably backing out of here pretty soon. There she is. So we're next. So let's get this thing loaded up on the rack, and we'll have Eladio take a good look. Alright.
I didn't do my hair this morning.
I know, it looks as good as mine. So this is Eladio. He's Dr. E. He's been working on my cars since a while.
Since Michele was like 12.
Since I was a baby. And so he's going to get the alignment machine all set up on it, and then we'll show you guys kind of what it goes through, and not show the secret sauce.
No secret sauce,
but
no.
We'll
that
show,
stays right here.
Yeah, but yeah, so here we go.
All right,
I was with Momo for over 10 years. So,
I remember this.
oh, right.
Doubling it.
This is my workout. I don't go to the gym.
We make sure that we have the same tire pressure all around, that way we have an accurate reading and alignment. So, I know that.
My ranking says 19.5. I'm like, mine says 20.
Gained a little in the trailer.
Hey guys, so this is Matt. He's like Gummy Grip himself. I met Matt also forever ago. I think I was like 17 when I had my Mazda, and he hooked me up with some parts for it from GT Spec. But anyways, if you come to Gummy Grip, look for Matt and say hi.
Stop.
That's quite the trust exercise.
That's why I have to be nice to Matt all the damn time. I can't tell him that I don't like him. I can't have any fights or arguments with him. He's gonna be like, oh really? Bring it.
Yeah, we just try to stick to the 15 through 18.
Yeah, that makes sense.
We're actually bringing 19s in a few months. I ordered it about a month ago. It'll take 3 months to get it.
What company?
Just Achilles.
Achilles?
Yeah, but I could order you a lot in the tire.
I gotta figure out what I want.
Yeah.
Alright, so can you tell everybody what you found?
I found a little bit of toe out on the right front, a little bit of toe in on the left front, impact running over the curbs, no big deal. It happens all the time. So we set the steering wheel straight. They have a new steering wheel, so
Yeah.
that was key. So we
MPI.
want to make sure that it's nice and straight, comfortable for the driver.
Yep.
That makes a world of difference. So we want to make sure the toe was straight, everything else checked out just fine. So we're ready for the next event.
Whenever it is.
Yeah.
And so it was good we came, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so good to come. If you guys are racing, you always should get an alignment. And if you're in Vegas, this is the guy to get it done.
Come look for Dr. E.
That's it. All right, thanks guys. Take it easy. Bye.